Here we're going to discuss some defining features of the cervical vertebra. Here I have atlas and here is axis. The way I like to remember it is axis is the one below because it has an X, and X is later on in the alphabet, so it goes after. So atlas, then axis is the second cervical vertebra. So atlas C1, axis C2. Here in atlas we can see the unicate or uncinate processes on the lateral borders, on the lateral margins of the vertebra, and they articulate with the inferior lateral aspect of the vertebra above it. So for example, here we can see it on axis as well, and it will articulate, if we flip axis over, it will articulate with the inferior margins of the vertebra on axis. And if we stack them, this is how it would look. So this is the anterior arch of atlas, and this is the dens or odontoid process of axis. Also notable in the cervical vertebra is the bifid process, which is not seen on atlas, but is seen on axis. Another prominent feature is the transverse foramina, seen over here on atlas and over here on axis on both sides, as you can see. And so the transverse foramina are very important because the vertebral artery is what will be passing through, starting at C6 all the way through to C1, and then entering through the foramen magnum into the brain.